Let's take a look at AI's capability to read and analyze files. In this case, I'll be using ChatGPT throughout the lessons. And also your marriage might vary because ChatGPT does not support all the kinds of files. It supports most of the popular documents exchanged in professional settings. But if you're using some obscure file format that only works in some niche applications, likely it's not supported in terms of being able to read the file. And also, I am using a paid plus version of ChatGPT, which has much more higher limit on what you can do. So in the free version, you might be able to only upload like 1 or 2 files at a time. So I highly recommend that during this learning journey that you have with the ChatGPT, that you at least try a paid version for a month to really fully understand its capabilities and decide to cancel if you don't think it's valuable to you. There are so many AI tools out there that might better fit with you instead of ChatGPT. But let me show you how uploading a file works. So you'll click on this pen or the clip icon, click upload from computer. Notice that there are also other options to attach files, but I'm just gonna go into upload from computer. And I have all sorts of PDFs that I've been saving as I'm learning all these generative AI tools. And also some industry researches. And its ability to upload PDF is really useful because if it was only able to read text, then I can't really feed in these files. So let's see, I'm going to pick this file, the state of marketing in generative AI. And this is fairly large file. So, and this says 94.8 megabyte. Actually, for that quick demo, let me try find a very small one. There you go. AI will not replace software engineers, only 321 kilobyte. So it should go really quick for the sake of demonstration. And there you go. The file gets uploaded. And I can keep adding more files. In the plus version, I believe the limitation is 10 files. With the free version, you might run into the limitation much quicker. But let me ask a question. Can you summarize the content in this file? Then it gives you a feedback, visual feedback on the file that you uploaded and reminder of what I asked. And then it's able to pull up the document content. It's able to parse the PDF document and then gives you update. So the document AI will not replace software engineers, explores well-being, impact of AI on software engineering. Here's a summary. Short-term impact, tools like code assistants can augment workflows. Great. Mid-term impact, long-term impact, and challenges. Yes, this all seems to check a box based on what I've actually read. It seems very accurate. Now, if I want to try other file, let me click to chat new. And then this time, let's see if I can select multiple files. So AI-powered marketing and sales reach new heights. Okay, let's upload these 2 documents that both has to do with marketing. And then while the file is uploading on this one, it's taking some time. I'm going to say, please read these 2 documents. What are the common theme in use of AI in marketing and sales? And this way I'm asking AI to not just summarize the 2 documents that it reads, but I'm also asking it to find a common theme that requires comprehension of 2 documents and then comparing and contrast. Let's see what it comes up with. From 2 documents, the common theme in the use of AI marketing sales are personalization and customer experience. That makes sense. AI is able to hyper-personalize content, which is a really good use case. If you haven't looked deeper into it, I highly recommend if you work in marketing and sales. Efficiency through automation, enhanced data utilization. And notice that it's able to give you a reference to these files that I uploaded. And this gives you a clue in where the idea came from. For example, this second point in the personalization, it looks like it only points to this document. So I wonder if this one shows up in one document but may not be on the other one, or maybe they are both mentioned, but it just decided to pull the best summary of the idea from one document. So it's still worth reading the actual document. I actually literally read all these documents myself, unless I'm maybe too busy to know that I want to know, like before I even read, is it worth reading? Then maybe I would first ask AI, but I do actually read all these long documents. And then I'm able to confirm if these references that it pulls up from the documents are accurate. I'll say most of the time it's pretty accurate to the point that you don't need to worry about AI hallucinating as much. It's because instead of asking AI to come up with the random facts, you are literally giving the answer. Here's an answer to the text. Here's the file knowledge that should be treated as like factual information. And I want you to just comprehend what it is and then get me a pieces of information from the document versus asking it to make up some facts based on previously trained knowledge. So that means even if the AI was only trained to, let's say, date back to 2024 October, and you want to feed in the document that happens in the future, let's say 2025, you have some new document that AI has never seen, that's fine, because in this case, you're not asking AI to figure out some, look into the past and then figure out, like, if you've seen something like this, you're literally saying, this is the document that has all the truth, that I want you to treat it like the document that contains all the factual information, and I want you to just find relevant information that I'm asking for. So that's a really great use of the file. And it can also read spreadsheets and other files. But please go ahead and upload any documents that you find to be long, and maybe you want it to summarize, you want to compare between documents. You can even write a blog post from here, like now write me a blog post about it, and then it will happily combine the two documents and then try to generate a blog post that references the ideas from each of the documents. And that's really a great way to go from 0 to 80% really quick. And of course, I still want to have my own voice and opinion about how the AI should be utilized in the marketing. But that should hopefully be just 20% of the work that you have to do to further personalize and make sure the content that it's outputting is something that you agree on. But yeah, go ahead and try and see what you can find out as you're feeding in the files.